Hello students, welcome to the next lecture on the memory based questions CSIR NET July 2026. Myself Dr. Harish Garg, you can follow and subscribe my YouTube channel. The first 8 part of the CSIR NET July 2026 you can find at my YouTube channel. Now today I will explain you the few questions related to the complex analysis. The first question is, if capital D is my unit disk, that means capital of z is less than of the 1 is my unit disk, and phi is my holomorphic function, such that phi of half is 0, phi of minus 1 is 4 by 5, and your target is to find the bound of some holomorphic function. Which things come in your mind when you look about the unit disk and the bound? That is called as a Schwarz lemma. Fine, but because the function value is given at some particular point, then we can apply the Schwarz peak lemma. और ये Schwarz lemma and the peak lemma कभी भी equality पे value नहीं देते, they always provide you the bound, find upper bound. So what is the result for the Schwarz peak lemma? F of z minus f of a divided by 1 minus complex conjugate of f of a into f of z, which is less than or equal to z minus a divided by 1 minus where f of a is my 0. Fine. Now look at that. A is my half. Fine. Now in this case, instead of the f, it is a phi. So I can substitute the value phi of 1 over 3 minus phi of half. Phi of half is my 0. 1 minus 0 is less than or equal to z minus a divided by 1 minus complex conjugate of half is half into 1 by 6. So that will be less than equal to minus 1 over 6 divided by 5 over 6. The left hand side will be phi of 1 over 3. So what is the answer? That will be 1 over 5. So the upper bound is 1 over 5. So you can see 7 over 5 is more than 1 over 5. A, C and D option cancel. B is the right answer of the problem by using the Schwarz peak lemma. क्या आपने भी एग्जाम में इसी तरह से सॉल्व करा है क्वेश्चन? Let me know in the comment box. Look at the second question. The power series is convergent at some point, divergent at some point, then the radius of the convergent. क्या shortcut tips दिया था मैंने आपको? Whenever you have a power series, let's say center is my C, and once the power series is convergent at point z0, then the radius of convergent is always given greater than equal to z0 minus C. While it is divergent at z0, then R must be less than or equal to z0 minus C. In this case, the center is my 0. Fine. Now look at that. It is convergent at 1 plus iota divided by 2. Therefore, R must be greater than or equal to 1 plus iota divided by root 2. So that will be 1. Root 2 divided by root 2 is 1. Similarly, it is divergent at 1 minus iota divided by root 2. Again, it comes to be 1. So what does it mean? 1 is less than equal to R is less than equal to 1. It implies R is equal to 1. So C is the right answer of the problem. Fine. For more detail, you must watch about my lecture PYQ on the radius of convergent at my YouTube channel Dr. Harish Garg. अभी तक बताइए इन दोनों क्वेश्चन में से आपके कितने क्वेश्चन सही हुए, और अगर आपके पास कोई और अप्रोच है इन क्वेश्चन को सॉल्व करने की, लेट मी नो इन द कमेंट बॉक्स. If you have some more questions on the complex analysis, real, calculus of variation and many more, you can send the comment box and subscribe my YouTube channel. I will upload the video for you very soon. Till then, best of luck students. Happy learning.